guys, Merry early Christmas, Happy Holidays, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to recite the Heart Sutra and maybe some other prayers for you too to send some blessings your way this holiday season. This has been a crazy month and yeah, I just haven't really been feeling in the holiday spirit that much this year, but hopefully everything turns around next year. Anyways guys, let's get into all the prayers, so let's all get blessed, right? Namo Avalokiteshvara Bodhisattva. When practicing the profound Prajnaparamita, perceived that the 5 skandhas are empty and thereby became free from all suffering. O Saraputra, form is none other than emptiness. Emptiness is no different than form. Form is emptiness. Emptiness is form. The same is true with perception, conception, volition, and consciousness. O Saraputra, all dharmas are characterized by dependence upon causation. They are neither created nor do they perish, neither defiled nor immaculate, neither increasing nor decreasing. Therefore in emptiness there is no form, no perception, no conception, no volition, no consciousness. No eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, or mind. No form, sound, smell, taste, touch, or object of mind. No realm of the eyes, up to no realm of consciousness. No ignorance, nor its extinction, up to no old age and death, nor their extinction. There's no suffering, no cause of suffering, no extinction, no path, no wisdom, and also no attainment, because there's no object to be obtained. The Bodhisattva, through practicing Prajnaparamita, have no obstacles in the mind. Having no obstacles in the mind, they overcome fear, ultimately realizing nirvana. All Buddhas of the past, present, and future, relying on Prajnaparamita, attain Anuttara Sami Sambuddhi. Therefore, one should know that Prajnaparamita is the great, bright, unsurpassed, and unequaled mantra, the destroyer of all suffering, the truth. A mantra, Prajnaparamita, should therefore be proclaimed. This is the mantra. Gate, gate, pragate, prasagate, bodhishvaha. Ooh, I'm using my new ring light, guys, and I'm burning up. It's so hot with the Santa hat on. I'm gonna open my window. Getting some fresh air, I'm burning up. Oh Mami Dewaze, oh Mami Dewaze, Guanshin Pusa, please bless me and these beautiful souls watching this video. Let us have a happy, prosperous new year, blessed be. Now we're gonna recite Amitabha Bodhisattva's mantra. Oh Mami Dewaze, 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 oh Mami Dewaze. O Mami Dewaze, 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 O Mami Dewaze. Please, Amitabha Bodhisattva, let us have a beautiful, prosperous new year and help those watching this video, blessed be. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. Short version of the Heart Sutra. Let's see, let's do Tara Buddha. Oh, my prostrate to the goddess foe destroyer, liberating lady Tara. Homage Tara, sovereign is here, Thutha Ray, dispelling all fears, granting all benefits with true. To her was on Soha I bow. Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha, 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 Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha. Om Mama Ayu Punya Shana Pushtim Kuruya Soha, Om Mama Ayu Punya Shana Pushtim Kuruya Soha, Om Mama Ayu Punya Shana Pushtim Kuruya Soha, Om Tare Tutare Ture Mama Ayu Punya Shana Pushtim Kuruya Soha, Om Tare Tutare Ture Mama Ayu Punya Shana Pushtim Kuruya Soha, Om Tare Tutare Ture Mama Ayu Punya Shana Pushtim Kuruya Soha. Please, Tara Bodhisattva, let's have a beautiful, prosperous new year. Help me and those watching this video, blessed be. Who else should we do? Om Vajrapani Hum, 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 Om Vajrapani Hum. Please, Vajrapani Bodhisattva, let us have a beautiful new year. Please protect us and keep us safe from all negative energies. Blessed be. Om Asadika Barthangling Hum, 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 Om Asadika Barthangling Hum. Please, Siddhika Bar Bodhisattva, guide us and protect us in this beautiful new year. Please, God and all the ascended masters in heaven, come forth to us watching this video. Please let us have a beautiful new year. Let everything go smooth. Let us get to where we want to be spiritually, financially, all those good things. Let us be in alignment for the highest good of all in our path. So mote it be. I hope this video blesses you guys and you have a beautiful, prosperous new year. Trying to think of any other prayers I can do. Maybe I can do a spell to end this off, right? With a little witchy, magical vibe. I want to be doing a lot more magical videos in the new year. I just gotta make time and get some herbs and film some magical videos for you guys and teach you some more magic. So I guess we'll do my iconic by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light. May you be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. We can't forget a little cleanse, right guys? May your chakras be cleansed. May your mind and body and spirit be cleansed and whole. So mote it be. In a little simple cleanse of your chakras, guys, you can say 7 chakras clear and bright, cleanse the soul and feed the light. Or you can also say like all of my chakras clear and bright, cleanse the soul and feed the light. Because you got your 7 major chakras and then you got other ones that aren't as relevant, but they're still important, they're a part of you. So give it a nice cleanse. Cleanse your body, pray for the new year, may everything be prosperous, and may you have a blessed new year, guys. Blessed be. Oh, and give me a thumbs up down below, turn on those post notifications, give me a thumbs up, so one day I can be monetized and thriving again. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Blessed be, magical souls.